Okay, in example 2, we're going to solve 13 is less than or equal to x plus 14, and then we're going to graph that solution. So again, I want to get x by itself, so I really want to get rid of adding 14. To get rid of adding 14, I subtract 14 on both sides of the equation, leaving x by itself because that makes a zero pair. And then I bring that down, but it's not an equal sign, it's a less than an equal sign. I almost messed up there. And then it's 13 minus 14 is a negative 1. So when I want to graph this, I got to give myself a line. I got to make sure my negative 1 is on there and probably something on this side of it. So I know what direction my arrows are going. Because it has the equal sign, I get to close circle on my negative 1, and x is greater than it. A lot of times people get confused when the x is on the opposite side. So if you would like to rewrite it as x is greater than or equal to negative 1, you may do that to know it's greater than. All I did was what was facing the x is still facing the x. What was facing the negative 1 is still facing the negative 1. So you can do a rewrite, but you don't have to as long as you know that your x was greater than or equal to negative 1, just reading it backwards. So it's up to you, but this is the correct graphing of it. So if you think you know how to do it when it's on the opposite side, you can click next to try one on your own.